Alina is here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for you to be watching my videos. And today I decided to do a little review of the products that I've been using for around 5 months. So I have got a good feel of them and I decided that, it's time for me to actually review them and to let you guys know what I think, my honest opinion, if they work, if they don't work, and all the good stuff. So today I'm going to be talking about the new MONAT Restructuring Collection, and I have it right here. It comes with 4 different products, which I will show you. I literally don't have enough hands to hold all of this. So it comes with restructuring shampoo, restructuring pre-wash conditioner, inner force restructuring serum, and the hair transformation mask. So all these 4 products, I will tell you exactly how I feel about them, what they do exactly, as well as some tips and tricks on using them if you're planning on buying them, or maybe you are already using them in your routine. Maybe I'll give you some useful pointers that you'll be able to apply in your hair care regime. So what is Restructuring Collection really for? It is meant for severely damaged hair. So hair that has been chemically processed, bleached, constantly color treated. If you're also constantly heat styling your hair, like using heat styling tools every single day or like every other day, and you're damaging your hair over and over again. So what these products will do, they will actually bring back your hair, your damaged hair, to the pre-damaged state, which is basically a miracle. Like no other products I have used before promise something like that, or if they did promise rebuilding and restructuring and some, they never worked. And I've tried tons upon tons of salon high-end brands that never really worked. So I was really pumped about this collection coming out, and at the time when the collection actually rolled out, it was September. On September 2nd, I got my hair bleached and pretty damaged. It felt like Barbie hair. It felt like straw. It felt awful. Like if you have ever had your hair damaged by bleach and then heat styling tools, you will know exactly what I'm talking about. It was just miserable. And I happened to be traveling to a hair care conference, lucky for me, with my really damaged hair. But anyways, during the conference, the company rolled out these products and we all got them. So I got to use them right there. And honestly, I could see the difference after the very first use. This is how good they are. So to answer your question, if these products really work, yes, they do. They 100% do what they promise to do. They rebuild, they restructure. So basically what the products do, they identify the broken bonds in the hair from damage, and then they rebuild those broken bonds. So the hair is sealed and the hair looks really nice. It's like literally after the first use, I shampooed my hair, come out of the shower, and once the hair was dry, I was like, oh, wow. Wow, like I could see the difference from the very first time I used these products, which I have never experienced before, seeing the difference right after the first wash. So they do really work. They basically rebuild the hair architecture from within the hair strand, right? They do enhance the fiber structure of your hair and the strength. They improve the elasticity of the hair. So basically when the hair stretches, it doesn't break, which happens a lot when we're washing our hair. So what happens when we're washing our hair? With, healthy hair strands, when you stretch them, they stretch and then they go back to their natural state, right? They stretch and go back. With the damaged strand, when we stretch it, it breaks. So basically, in the shower, when we're washing our hair is most vulnerable to the damage and to the breakage, right? So what these products will do, they will ensure that during, you're washing, you're shampooing your hair, it's not going to happen. It's not going to break your hair. So, which is amazing. It also, these products, I find they're pretty hydrating. So they do deliver that hydration to your hair, because usually broken, damaged, like brittle hair needs that extra hydration. And the good part about these products too is they actually do penetrate the inner cortex of the hair. So our hair has 3 layers, and the inner layer of the hair is cortex, and they actually do deliver the nutrients to the inner cortex, which is amazing. Most of the products out there, they just sit on the top of all the buildup. What MONAT products are meant to be doing, they're actually removing all the buildup and exposing all the damage. They heal the damage from inside out, so they are able to penetrate the 3 layers of hair, which is like amazing. Normally the hair products just sit on top of the buildup, which is sad, especially for the price that those products are sold at. So basically, the products they will seal, they will repair, it'll protect the hair against any, damage and dryness. Another good point about these products is that they don't weigh hair down. I find that with a lot of, hydrating products that I've used before in the past, when I was trying product after product to, repair the damage, because I did color treat my hair all the time. Most of the products will weigh my hair down immensely. Like if there wasn't some sort of hydrating product, it would weigh my hair down. With, no MONAT products weigh my hair down, which is amazing because I have fine, thin hair and pretty limp. So yeah, like this, if you're somebody with fine limp hair, but your hair is damaged, you can definitely use these products. And it just improves the manageability of hair. Before I could not really run my hands through my hair like this, right? By the end of the day, I would have like rat's nest back there, so it was really hard to comb my hair, and that's when it would break when I was combing my hair out. It was just terrible. So basically, some of the things that these products do, they basically reverse 10 signs of damage, like micro damage that we do during our day while brushing our hair or doing some things to it. Even towel drying our hair. If you're still using the regular towel, you should be switching to microfiber, or maybe like if you're sleeping on cotton pillowcases, switch them to silk pillowcases. So all those little things, they really do cause micro damage to our hair. They reverse the weak strands, right? So they make the strands stronger. They reverse the brittle ends. So you will notice right away that your ends are not as brittle anymore. Hair breakage, heat damage. Like if you're somebody like me that uses heat styling tools like all the time, it's bad. I know it's bad, but I still do it, and like we girls still do it. So these products will help with that. Chemical damage, split ends, dullness, lack of elasticity, all of those things, these products will help with, definitely. So how to use these products. Let's talk about some pointers and tips and tricks. So by far, I guess you have already understood that these products work, and you need to give them a try because they're absolutely amazing. I'm the living proof of this. Literally in a couple of months, from so severely damaged, mushy, terrible Barbie hair, I went to like shiny hair and soft and pretty, and back to its pre-damaged state. And in between, I bleached my hair again. So like these products definitely do work. When I got my hair damaged, I was using the products every single time I was shampooing my hair. This was what I was using, including this mask. This was my holy grail product for about a month. After that, when I noticed that my hair was getting healthier, it was going back to my pre-damaged hair condition, I stopped using it every single time, and I switched to using it about every 4th to 5th wash. So in between, I just use my other products and I alternate between other masks. But this is like my spa day for the hair. So how you would use these products if you're considering buying them, if you already own the products but you're not sure how exactly they work, how to use them. So first of all, like I said, when we're in the shower and we wet our hair, it's the most vulnerable and prone to breakage. So you would first apply the conditioner. So it's more of a reverse care method. So you would apply the conditioner first, wet hair really well, apply the conditioner from mid-shaft, like mid-shaft to down to ends, make sure everything is coated, let it sit for a couple minutes, then rinse the conditioner, and then you will shampoo twice with this shampoo. They actually say that you only need to shampoo once, but I still shampoo twice with this shampoo, and you will find that it's a little bit different than other shampoos. It's a creamy shampoo, so it is meant for really broken, damaged, bleached hair. So it's not going to give you a ton of suds. It's more like a creamy shampoo, but it cleans your hair really, really well. So do not be fooled by the creaminess of this shampoo. It works. It will clean your hair really, really nicely. After you've shampooed twice and you've rinsed your hair really well, you will use this hair transformation mask. So I normally use it, I would leave it on for, I don't know, I don't think I really give it full 5 minutes in the shower. Normally you would apply for up to 10 minutes, but realistically, I honestly have 3 kids that are, in most cases, are like standing by the shower door like, Mom, get out of the shower. So I don't have the full 5 to 10 minutes. I probably leave it on for like closer to 2-3 minutes, and it still works. It still works great. So you would leave this mask on for ideally 5 to 10 minutes, and then you will rinse it really well. And then after you towel dry your hair, you're going to apply this Inner Force Restructuring Serum. If you're using Rejuva Beads split end mender, I actually recommend using the split end mender first, letting it sit for about 60 seconds, and then applying the Inner Force Restructuring Serum. That's what I've been doing. This serum comes with 2 little vials, like 2 little pumps, you will see. So you would give it a pump, and actually it comes out like this. So actually you can apply it onto dry hair too. So in between washes, on those days that I don't shampoo, I would apply the serum onto dry hair just to make sure it's protected throughout the day. So you can literally use this every single day if your hair really, really damaged. And my hair is bleached, so it's okay. And hair sucks it right in. Like there's nothing, you don't see anything, and it doesn't weigh your hair down. So that's what I really like about these products, that it don't weigh your hair down at all. So after applying this, you're just going to style as usual. So you will use all the products that you're currently using. The only pointer for you when it comes to this collection, you cannot mix and match. Like I do not recommend mixing and matching or using any other products. Even if you're using MONAT exclusively, do not mix and match this collection with other products, because they are meant to be used as a collection, as a whole, big complex of hydration and protection for your hair. So if you want these products to work, you'd better use them as I've told you, not to mix anything in the picture. And the worst thing you could be doing is using other brands with MONAT. Like let's say your hair just got really, really damaged and you decided to buy this collection, but then you're using a Joico hairspray and let's say like a Moroccan oil, leave-in oil. You're not going to see much of a difference, honestly, because you will keep put in all those silicones. So the products will try to like work through all the buildup that you have in your hair, and you'll keep putting like alcohol to dry the hair out, and like silicones that are containing like leave-in oils and leave-in products. So if you are really committed to getting your hair to a really healthy state, I would just stick with these products exclusively. And I don't tell you this because, you know, I'm promoting the products. No, I'm telling you this because I believe in the products. I've been using them for closer to 2 years now, and I know what they've done for my hair. I know how they work. I've tried every single product. And like I said before, Monat, I used every single line out there. I used Moroccan oil, I used Kerastase, I used Joico, I used Reiken, and like you name it, I probably used it. So I'm not bashing any other brands. I'm just saying that these products really work. So if you're considering trying these products, my advice to you, just be consistent, give them time, and also be exclusive. Don't mix anything else in the picture. Otherwise, you're just wasting your time and money. Trust me. So hopefully this review was somewhat useful to you. Hopefully you got some value. If you did, don't forget to subscribe. I will be doing lots more reviews of hair care products, makeup products, and stuff like that. So thanks so much for watching, for being here and supporting my channel, and I will talk to you later. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye guys.